The 2025 Ford Transit Campervan is a standout option in the campervan market, delivering a perfect balance of practicality, luxury, and versatility. Designed for road trip enthusiasts, digital nomads, and adventurers, the Transit Campervan builds on Ford's robust engineering heritage, offering thoughtful updates that cater to modern travelers. Here's a detailed review of the 2025 Ford Transit Campervan. Exterior design and build quality. The 2025 Transit Campervan features a bold, modern design that combines aesthetics and functionality. Its sleek silhouette is complemented by a larger grille and updated LED headlamps, which enhance visibility and add a stylish edge. Aerodynamic improvements reduce drag, contributing to better fuel efficiency and stability on the highway. Durability is a key focus, with a reinforced chassis and high-strength body panels designed to endure rugged terrains. Roof racks are available for extra storage, and optional all-terrain tires cater to off-road enthusiasts. The campervan's rear sports redesigned LED taillights and a high-mounted brake light for enhanced safety and visibility. Interior comfort and layout. Inside, the Transit Campervan impresses with a spacious, ergonomic layout designed to maximize comfort and utility. High-quality materials such as soft-touch plastics, premium upholstery, and brushed aluminum accents elevate the cabin's overall feel. Ambient LED lighting adds warmth and creates a relaxing atmosphere, especially during nighttime stops. The interior layout is thoughtfully designed, featuring living space. A flexible seating area converts into a cozy sleeping arrangement for 2 to 4 people, depending on the configuration. Memory foam mattresses and insulated walls ensure comfort regardless of the weather. Kitchenette. A compact yet fully equipped kitchenette includes a 2-burner gas stove, a stainless steel sink, a 12V refrigerator, and ample storage cabinets for cookware and pantry items. Bathroom facilities. The van includes a wet bath with a toilet, shower, and a retractable sink, making it suitable for off-grid living. Storage solutions, overhead cabinets, hidden compartments, and underbed storage maximize space for personal belongings, outdoor gear, and essentials. Powertrain and performance. The 2025 Ford Transit Campervan offers multiple powertrain options to cater to diverse customer needs. 1. Base engine. A 3.5-liter V6 delivering 275 horsepower and 262 lb-ft of torque provides reliable performance for most users. 2. EcoBoost V6. For those seeking additional power, the 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine generates 310 horsepower and 400 lb-ft of torque, ensuring confident towing and climbing steep inclines. 3. Plug-in hybrid. PHEV. Environmentally conscious buyers can opt for the plug-in hybrid variant, which combines a gasoline engine with an electric motor to deliver excellent fuel economy and reduced emissions. Technology and connectivity. Ford has equipped the 2025 Transit Campervan with state-of-the-art technology to ensure a seamless driving and living experience. Infotainment. A 12-inch touchscreen serves as the hub for the S1C4 infotainment system, offering Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and integrated navigation. Smart features, Wi-Fi connectivity, multiple USB ports, and a wireless charging pad keep devices powered and connected during trips. Driver assistance. Advanced safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Off-road and camping features. For those who venture off the beaten path, the Transit Trail model enhances the van's off-road capabilities. It includes features such as higher ground clearance, underbody skid plates, and all-terrain tires. A built-in inverter and auxiliary battery system power the van's appliances, while solar panel options provide renewable energy for extended off-grid stays. The swiveling front seats and modular interior allow for a versatile living space, perfect for dining, working, or relaxing. Additionally, an optional roof tent expands sleeping capacity for larger groups. Customization and packages. The 2025 Transit Campervan is highly customizable, with a range of factory-installed and aftermarket options. Upfit packages. tailored packages for adventure seekers, including bike racks, awnings, and storage solutions. Professional kits, trade-specific upfit packages for those using the van for work, like electricians or mobile workshop operators. Luxury add-ons, options such as leather seating, upgraded sound systems, and advanced climate control systems enhance the premium feel. Fuel efficiency and sustainability. Fuel economy varies depending on the powertrain. The base V6 delivers decent mileage for a campervan, while the EcoBoost option balances power and efficiency. The plug-in hybrid stands out for its impressive range and low environmental impact, making it ideal for eco-conscious travelers. Pricing and value. The 2025 Ford Transit Campervan starts at approximately $50,000 for the base model, with fully equipped models reaching $75,000 or more, depending on customization. While it's not the most affordable campervan on the market, its features, build quality, and versatility justify the price. Conclusion: the 2025 Ford Transit Campervan is a top-tier choice for anyone seeking adventure and comfort on the road. Its modern design, powerful performance, and comprehensive features make it suitable for a wide range of users, from weekend explorers to full-time van lifers. With its customizable options, advanced technology, and off-road capabilities, the Transit Campervan sets a new benchmark in the world of recreational vehicles. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more exciting updates.